Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we explore the best gear for high-performance computing. Today, we're looking at a memory kit that brings together power, precision, and plug-and-play performance: the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 64GB 2x32GB 6000 MTS CL30 RAM, optimized for AMD EXPO. If you're building a next-gen Ryzen system, this is a memory kit you'll definitely want to consider. Let's start with performance. This kit delivers an incredible 6000 MTS memory speed, backed by ultra-tight CL30 3838 timings, which is ideal for gamers, streamers, and professionals looking for ultra-responsive computing. Whether you're playing AAA titles, running virtual machines, or multitasking across creative applications, this RAM ensures your system runs smoothly and quickly with zero compromise. What really makes this kit stand out is its AMD EXPO support, which provides simple, stable overclocking with AMD's latest Ryzen 7000 series processors and AM5 motherboards. Just enable EXPO in your BIOS, and you're good to go, no need for manual tweaking. It also plays well with Intel setups thanks to its flexible compatibility. Each module is packed with 32GB of DDR5 memory, giving you a massive 64GB total, which is perfect for serious workloads like 3D rendering, 4K 8K video editing, and heavy multitasking. DDR5's improved architecture means double the banks, double the burst length, and onboard PMIC for more efficient voltage regulation, giving you performance and stability in one neat package. Design-wise, the Fury Beast Black keeps it clean and aggressive with a low-profile matte black heat spreader that fits well even in compact or air-cooled builds. The modules stay cool under pressure and look great in any rig, whether it's a stealthy blacked-out build or part of a bigger RGB ecosystem. Here's a breakdown of what you get. 64GB kit 2x32GB DDR5 6000 MTS speed with ultra-tight CL30 3838 timings. 1.35V operating voltage. AMD EXPO-ready plug-and-play for Ryzen 7000 builds. Intel compatible as well. Black aluminum heat spreader with low-profile design. Non-ECC, unbuffered DIMMs. Backed by Kingston's legendary reliability and lifetime warranty. If you're planning a premium AMD gaming rig, a content workstation, or you just want a future-proof build that won't bottleneck any task, the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 64GB kit is one of the best balanced memory solutions in its class. Ready to max out your memory bandwidth and level up your PC's responsiveness? Hit the Amazon link in the description and grab your kit today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop of next level tech here at Gadgetverse.